YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I have a special unboxing for you guys to check out this. This one is the mini and then flexible smartphone video kit for Osmo Pocket. Model number is CVM-MT-K1. As you know, DJI, they make the Osmo Pocket. Quality is not as the best. So this one has a X and Y stereo, 180-degree adjustable direction, full metal made, and it is a mini size. It's a MS stereo dual mic designed for ideal audio enhanced quality, which is provide a loud, high reduction sound, help you enjoy the broadcasting quality audio to your fans. And it has an adjustable extended clamp for easy operation. You can adjust the clamp, simple and then flexible. It is equipped with a smartphone monitor kit for more flexible use, make you shooting more professional and flexible. It is convenient for you to use. This kit is also a smartphone holder, mini handheld tripod for the DJI Osmo Pocket accessory. It is good for meeting recording, vlogging, travel recording, or a selfie if you're doing like a YouTube video or anything like that. Some of the YouTubers are using the Osmo Pocket as their main YouTube camera. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So I'm pretty stoked about the quality. Wow, look at that, nice. Got one of this bubble wrap. COMICA professional audio equipment, and come with this adjustable bracket right here on the back. Got the full metal bar for the adjustment so it doesn't break off easy. That's the model number that I just went over. Microphone video kit for Osmo Pocket with a smartphone monitor. And this is what it looks like, X and Y stereo. So it gives you two microphones. So it says feature XY dual mic designed for ideal audio, 180-degree adjustable audio recording direction, metal housing mic for excellent shielding, equipped with a smartphone monitor kit for more flexible use. So let's go ahead and cut out this tape. I don't want to mess up the box, so. So it comes with this foam. Wow, look at this. So here's the warranty card. And then instruction manual. All right, so let's go and then put this together. Hopefully I know how. So, wow, it is pretty heavy. It's a metal. So you got this nice heavy duty rubber feet right here. And then on the top, so it doesn't scratch your device. Also over here on the backing right here, it is made of rubber. Sure, what is this in here? Feel like a sponge. Oh, this is a microphone pop filter. Okay, this is a filter for the microphone, or prevent from the wind noise. And then this is the tripod. Nice. If you don't want the tripod, you can hold it as a handheld. Then you're gonna screw this on. And this is going to the back right here to put this bracket for your this to hold your Osmo pocket. So you could mount it on this side or this side, depends how you left or right-handed, or whichever direction that you feel more comfortable. So this is a fine threading. Make sure you don't cross thread it. So this allows you to adjust, depends on the size of your smartphone, okay? So you put your Osmo pocket right here, just like that. And this one you got the cold shoes mount. So you can mount your microphone on top, or if you have like a LED flashlight or something, you need to mount it. So this is a two-knob system. One is to make it tighter on the bottom for the cold shoe, and then the other one's for your flash. So this is the microphone right here, and it comes with this 3.5 millimeter jack. With the Osmo Pocket, you will need to purchase that special adapter. Which is looks like this. I purchased this on eBay, but unfortunately did not work with my Samsung Note 10 Plus. I'm not sure it's going to work with this Osmo Pocket. This one has a 3.5 millimeter jack right here. So just kind of give you an idea. So I'm gonna untangle this wire. So you will mount this microphone. Wow, it's pretty hefty. This is metal. You got your left and then right channel. So make sure you are mounted properly. So you need to screw this on right here. Okay, so you make it tighter on this knob right here. And then you connect this to your Osmo pocket adapter. And then you're going to plug it on the bottom of your Osmo pocket. And with this microphone, it allows you to rotate 180 degrees, either this way. Depends which direction you do in recording a selfie or vlogging or whatever that you're doing, okay? Or a meeting or interview. So on this side is a nut, and then the opposite side, it's like a, Allen wrench. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick on how to mount this pop filter in there. Okay, you gotta go put on one side the microphone, make sure it's in, and then just get the opening on the other side and try to loop it in there. Okay, and then that's it. Make sure it's in. If it's not, then tuck in. And that's it. Tilt it 180 degrees. So I'm just gonna test out with this iPhone 7 real quick for the quick mount. Make sure that you're not pushing against the volume rocker or your power or sleep button. Okay, and then you can adjust this close to your phone or how far apart you want to adjust this to. And this is go on the bottom of your Osmo pocket. Go ahead and test out this Samsung J7. All right, at first I thought it won't fit my Samsung J7 because I keep on pushing up and it doesn't allow to go in. So this mounting bracket allow you to expand on the top and also on the bottom, okay? Like that. So this is a pretty awesome design in case you guys don't know it. So that is nice. So now it fit in there nicely. And now you're gonna adjust this bracket. And there you go. It's a nice fit. Let's go ahead and test out the iPhone XS Max. So this one's the XS Max in gold. I'm gonna test this out. So yeah, I was holding against this bracket, so that's why it's not going up. Be sure not to hold it too tight. Try to hold it on this handle right here. So now it allows you to squeeze your iPhone XS Max in there. And then as you can see, you still have room for a bigger phone. And still allow you to connect this to your Osmo Pocket. So I got my Samsung Note 10 Plus. Just gonna test out this real quick. So as you can see, it still fit in there. Although I have my case, I need to remove my case because with the case is too thick. But I'm just kind of showing the idea that it still fit in there. Even though with this thick case, you still have gaps or space in between to fit a bigger phone. So anyway, if you guys decide to use your DJI Osmo Pocket for your YouTube or professional use that you're gonna vlog every day, this will be an awesome add-on accessory and enhance your audio quality with this dual mic. I will include the link that's going to show you within the description, so you guys could check out this item out. And this is nano chibi made material, and this will last for a long time. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Peace.